One of the big problems in Slovenia and Croatia is unemployment. Young people usually can't get jobs because of the old people who've already taken their places. People who don't have any job experiences have a hard time getting a job, even if they're more educated and fitter for it than the ones with more experiences. So young people go to the other countries to work, and they don't stay in the countries which have educated them because of it.
We have three solutions for solve that problem. The first one is that people should be retired earlier, even if the country have to pay them, because now young people don't have enough money to only start their own lives. Our second solution is that there could be the taxes for living in the country where you were educated in the case of Croatia and Slovenia, where education is almost for free. The third solution is that teachers should give an opportunity of a job experience for students, for example, a less paid job.
So what we would be prepared to sacrifice it, our time, which we would have to sacrifice for the experience of the job. And
the second sacrifice are taxes for leaving the country where you were educated in.
if you'd want to leave it.